We got a ton of tornado warnings coming right towards us right now. From this system. Yeah, this system's dropping tornadoes, like 5 of them already have dropped in Indiana. It's coming. It is coming. The squall line should be hitting us just about now, actually. So the wind's starting to pick up a little. I feel it sprinkling a little bit, trying to rain. It is coming. Look at this beauty. Beautiful clouds. Yeah, everyone's getting home at a good time. I know me and my roommate tried to get home before this because we did not want to get caught up in this while driving. I wanted to be home to enjoy it, but also be in safety. It's trying to rain, so it should start pretty soon here. So many people are out yet. It's like, get inside. Freaking tornadoes coming for us. Well, I mean, doesn't mean we're gonna get a tornado here, but the conditions, we're in a watch already, and there's warnings popping up like crazy. And radar indicated rotation. Lots of places, I know. Michigan City and Couts are two that top of my head that just on the TV. And apparently the Couts one was down and then came back, and then tornado on the ground, lots of pictures from it and videos, and then now there's an even stronger one that's replaced that one after it vanished. So it is dropping them. It's coming from the south. This is a south. This is south. This is north. If it comes from here, it's usually pretty bad because it's coming from the Great Plains. These are the ones that we gotta worry about. I know it's like you see it getting darker over there, but that's not the area. Whereas, well, I mean, I guess it's kind of coming from this direction, from like a southwest direction, because that's west. So, yeah, that tracks with the radar. Beautiful clouds, though. The beauty of a storm before it wreaks havoc. I mean, this obviously isn't gonna do anything. It's what's behind it that's gonna get us. It's actually still on its way. But I'm getting this while I can because the sun is setting. So I likely will be losing visual by the time the actual storm reaches us, or the part of it, the squall line. So we're getting little lightning flashes over there. Yeah, it looks so innocent, doesn't it? It looks so innocent, but it's not. Yeah, there's some lightning coming there. It looks so innocent, but it's not. Dropping some monsters in other parts of Indiana. It's coming towards us. But obviously this cloud's not dropping nothing. It's just ahead of everything else, doing its own thing. It's what's coming behind it we gotta worry about. What we can't see yet from where we are. Oh yeah. glasses.